So now Medix will display a list of the manufacturing sites that you have selected. Okay, so now you are required to enter the quality system information for each site. So to do so, click on the site name, okay, and then information for that site will be displayed as shown. So to add the quality system info, click on Add Edit Quality System. Okay. Then you will be brought to this page where you are now required to select the appropriate quality system for your device. For example, ISO 13485 certificate. Okay. Enter the expiry date and then click Add to display the quality system in the Medix. Okay, and then click Update Form. So now, for that particular site, okay, the quality system for that site has now been updated. So if you have several sites, then you repeat the process for each site. Okay, and once you have filled in all the relevant info, click on Update Form to bring you back to the device list form. So next, you are now required to enter the model info. So again, click on Add or Edit Info. Okay, so previously, based on your inputs in the manufacturing section, okay, Medix will display a list of the manufacturing sites and their corresponding site IDs. So please kindly note of the site ID because you will require this information when inputting the model info in the Medix. So if you have maybe one or two models, you may wish to enter the model info manually. So you can do so by entering the model name, model number, and a description. Select the appropriate manufacturing site and click Add to List to populate the info in Medix. Okay, but in cases where you have many devices or many models within that application, okay, kindly click on the Here link, okay, to download an Excel template to facilitate uploading of the info. So the template looks okay like this, which is very similar to your Annex 2 list of configurations. Okay, so for the model name, model number, and description, okay, you enter the info as per your Annex 2. For the part on manufacturing site info, okay, extract the relevant site ID and fill it into the column. Okay, so once you are done, save a copy of this Excel sheet on your computer. Okay, browse and then upload all the model info into the Medix. Okay, so now Medix will again display all the models that was in your Excel sheet. Okay, so check that everything has been included, okay, especially for IER. Okay, so once you have checked and verified the info, click Update Form, okay, to get back to the device list form. Okay, so next we will enter the importer and wholesaler info by clicking Add Edit Info. So this section is important because it allows for post-market traceability. So similar to the previous sections, you are required to search for the importer or wholesaler license, okay, and then click on Add to populate the info in Medix. Okay, once you are done, again Update Form to get, okay, so now your device list form has been created. Okay, so check that all information has been entered correctly. Okay, so once you're done, Update Form to go back to the main page. So this is only for one device listing. So if you have multiple device listings, then you are required to repeat the process for each listing. Okay, so now we go on to section 6, okay, the dossier and supporting documents. Okay, so again, click on Add, Attach or Remove Document under this section, and you will be brought to the following page. So we have actually set up different categories of folders in alignment with the CSDT submissions. Okay, so you are required to browse and upload the mandatory documents into each of the respective sections. Okay, so Medix will also display a list of the documents that you have uploaded for your reference. So check that all the information has been submitted. Okay, and this is again especially crucial for IDR. So once you're done, click on Update Form. Okay, and finally we are down to the last section, okay, which is Remarks. So if you have any remarks to us, okay, you can indicate it within this box. And note that for IDR applications, okay, you will be required to make the following declaration, okay, that you have reviewed and confirmed that the application qualifies for IDR, okay, and so on. So to proceed, you are required to check the declaration and click Confirm. Okay, next, you will also be required to accept the following declaration, okay, and then click on Submit. So this declaration will apply for all 4 routes. Okay, so now Medix will display the payment advice. Okay, so you may print a copy for your reference. Okay, click Submit. And finally, you'll go on to the acknowledgement page. So you may wish to print a copy for your reference as well. Okay, so within this acknowledgement page, we have listed the job reference number. Okay, so kindly note of this job reference number for future correspondence with us pertaining to the application. Okay, and finally, upon approval, your device will be listed onto the SMDR. Okay, so kindly go to the SMDR to view your device listing. Okay, so now for part 3, okay, let us just give you a brief update on the pending Class B product registration applications. So if your application is pending with us, okay, and the medical device meets the IDR or EDR criteria, we will refund you the difference in the evaluation fee upon approval of the application. So we are in the process of reviewing these applications. So kindly respond to our input request to help facilitate this process. Okay, so we are done with the presentation. Thank you.